gives opportunities for everybody from every walk of life to come forward and use their talents as musicians, singers and poets. And I bring this platform here because my lived experience of being 25 years on and off the street homeless. I was 19 years a heroin crack cocaine addict and 20 years an alcoholic and methadone user. And I'm now 8.5 years clean, and this has grown massively. Thank you. It's raising money for Acorns, domestic violence charity within Low Shields, supporting men, women and children going through that situation. There's a little box here, so for a penny, £1, whatever you can put in it, I appreciate it. All goes to a good cause, guys.